Welcome students, I am Vinita Prasad. In my today's video lecture, I will deal on a very important topic, that is note making. In your question paper, section A is reading skills. It is of 20 marks. In this, you will find two passages to deal with. The first passage is of 12 marks, in which you will find very short questions and MCQ type questions. In question number 2, the passage is for note making. It is of 8 marks. This question is divided into two parts, 2.1 and 2.2. 2.1 is for making notes and 2.2 is to summarize the passage. So the question 2 accordingly is divided into 4 plus 4. It's a marks fetching question if you take a little bit of care. Note making is very useful and can be done with constant practice. What actually is note making? Note making is a short written record of facts to aid the memory. It keeps a lot of information. It helps us in the process of remembering or recall. A good notes should be short and compact. It must have complete information. It must be presented in a logical way. As I said, it's a marks fetching question. In this, for making notes, you have 4 marks. In that, 1 marks is for providing a suitable heading to the passage. 1 marks is for abbreviation and the 2 marks is for making notes. So total is 4. One thing you should keep in mind, that whatever abbreviations you are using must be used in your notes. At least 4 abbreviations should be used to get 1 marks and the rest 2 marks is for note making. I repeat, it's very important. At least 4 abbreviations should be used to get 1 marks. 4 abbreviations should be used. While making notes, we follow certain standard practices like providing heading and subheading, abbreviations and symbols, writing in note form, numbering and proper indentation. The title or the heading reflects the main theme, whereas the subheadings point out how it has been developed. A very important thing to remember is notes should not be written in complete sentences. It should be written in words and phrases. I repeat, it's again very important. Notes should not be written in complete sentences. It should be written in words and phrases. The whole information should be listed in note form in points only, in a logical division and subdivision. Now, numbering and indentation. What does indentation means? Leaving space at the beginning of the line of print or writing. First write the title and then write down the notes in a logical order from the main heading to the subheadings. The numbering should be spaced a little to the right. In this way, you may use Roman number, you also use decimal system. So, first thing, You have to provide a title, then the main ideas should be properly put up in subheadings and subdivisions in proper indentation. Now to conclude, for making notes, first step is read the passage carefully, try to get the theme and subject of the passage. This will provide you the title. Step 2, identify main ideas and important supporting details. Step 3, make notes of the main ideas under headings and subheading. Step 4, use proper layout format, and step 5, use at least 4 abbreviations. So this is all for note making. Important things to remember again: no sentences should be used in the note making. Second thing, 4 abbreviation, at least 4 abbreviations should be used. Whatever abbreviations you are using, you have to make a proper key to the abbreviations. Now, you have to put up your notes in proper indentation. This is all for note making, and for summarizing, this is for 4 marks, and the second 2.2, the part of it to summarize notes, you have to write in complete sentences. You don't have to use your ideas in it.